At Louisiana Biomedical Services, we ensure that your medical equipment is always in top condition. Because in healthcare, every second counts. We specialize in the repair, calibration, preventive maintenance, and electrical safety inspections of all diagnostic and therapeutic medical equipment. Whether it's patient monitors, imaging systems, anesthesia machines, or isolated power systems, our team has the technical expertise to keep your facility compliant and operational. Our annual service contracts not only ensure compliance with Joint Commission Environment of Care standards and other regulations, but also provide unmatched accountability. Every service event is documented with pictures, videos, and detailed reports, all accessible through our secure online portal. When you need us, we're there. We guarantee a 4-hour telephone response and a 24-hour in-person response for all unscheduled repair calls, often faster than promised. With over 40 years of industry experience, our military-trained service representatives are ready to address any challenge, from routine maintenance to complex repairs. We are one of the few companies nationwide certified to perform annual inspections and recertifications of isolated power systems and line isolation monitors. Let us help you meet your regulatory requirements seamlessly. Louisiana Biomedical Services is your partner for reliability, expertise, and accountability. Visit us at louisianabiomedicalservices.com or call 424-204-2382 today for a quote on an annual service contract. Let us be your outsourced biomedical service department.